We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Let's rock and roll. Trader Q&A, as you can see behind me, on the thumbnail, on the title of the video, and right here. There is a link in the pinned message right there. It is pinned for a Zoom. You don't have to jump on a video call. It could be jumped anywhere. Just click it, wait your turn, and I will answer your questions. I got the lines open right now, per usual. We haven't done this. Well, we did this on Instagram when I was traveling, but we haven't done it since last year. First Trader Q&A of the year. We are live on IG. We're live on TikTok. What's up, everybody? Again, you got questions, need help, jump over to the YouTube. Appreciate everybody's patience. What's up, chat? What's up? Marshall, Reggie, Raj. Click the link, jump in, and I got the phone ready to go. I'll bring you in. Ask me one question, any kind of question. Keep it proper. Hello, Professor. We going to number 10? I think we are, Rivera. We're going to have 100% we are. I don't know, man. I'm at peace. I just came back from the spa. I posted my stats. After this live is done, I actually have to request a payout. Very nice. I will record it, and I'll post it on the IG. But I request a payout after this live. I have to record content. Screen record that for a YouTube post, a regular YouTube post. But that's going to be after the vlog is done. Episode 16 or 17 drops tomorrow on YouTube. So let's go. No one's requesting. I'm going to give it 5 minutes. If no one comes on and asks a question, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm going to go to sleep. So I will wait. Oh, we got somebody. Right on time. All right, Will, you are unmute. What's up, my brother?
What's going on, man? How you doing, bro?
I'm good. Wait. Have you been on before?
We talked a while back, man.
Yeah. What's up, Will? Where you calling in from, bro?
Yeah. A place called Temecula, California.
Yes. We spoke. How you been? What's up? Happy New Year.
Man, happy New Year's, big dog. I'm blessed, man. I'm just making me something to eat right now and enjoying my family, man. How about yourself, bro?
It's good, bro. I just came back from the spa. Had a very good week. I posted my stats on IG for my week. Did you see them?
Yeah.
What'd you think?
You know what? I'll be honest with you. I'm focused and I'm really just absorbing my daughter's volleyball, man. I haven't been on no.
You just said you saw them 5 seconds ago.
Oh, no. My apologies. I saw you, like, I my notifications come through on YouTube. So my apologies.
No, it's okay.
I misspoke.
Will, no worries, bro. All is well, man. What you been up to? How can I help you? Ask me a question, bro.
No, man. I appreciate you opening this up for this question and answer. Do you find indicators useful? That's my only question.
So I got it. No. I'm laughing. I'm just laughing. No. Question's fine, bro. Question's perfectly fine. Yeah. So it depends, right? It's a gray area question. For example, does Fibonacci work? Yeah, I don't use it. MACD work? Yeah, I don't use it. Everything works depending on your strategy. You with me, Will?
Excellent. Yes.
So that's what I would say. Everything works, but what supersedes everything else, Will?
A plan.
No. What's the main thing you should focus on? By the way, guys, I'm dropping the link to join the live. I'm dropping the link for those that are going to ask me 37,000 times because it's pinned. The candles, very good, Will. As long as your focus does not deviate from the candles, we're perfectly fine. As long as if the first thing in the morning you say is, where is it on the indicator? We officially have a problem there. That's all I would say.
Amen, big dog. Amen, man. I appreciate your Q&As all the time, man. That's my one and done. God bless you. Have a great weekend.
You too, Will. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend yourself. Bye.
Okay.
Bye. All right, that's a good question. Keep it going. Again, I'm going to give it a 2-minute gap. I don't see anybody. You know what's funny? In like 15 minutes, we'll have 20 people requesting. I don't get it. And then I'm going to be like, okay, too much. But like I said, I'm going to give it 2 minutes. If I don't get someone, I'm calling it. These lives are for you. These lives are for you. 2 minutes starting now. And I'm waiting for someone to say in the chat, where's the link? So I'm just going to block them. And then Rivera will have a countdown on that one. Literally. You know how much people charge for private one-on-ones? I'm doing, literally, it's a free one. It's okay. It's okay. And you know what's funny? I posted on my. Never mind. I'm not gonna get into it. Goran Goran, request me, bro. I miss your Australian accent. Click the link, Goran. Jump on the live. I miss you. Jump on the live. See, Rivera's ready to go. He knows. So what's your strategies? Candles left. Yeah. Goran, click the link. Okay, that's not Goran. Guna, what's up, girl? Goran, request me, bro. I miss your Australian accent. Click the link, Goran. Jump on the line. Guna. Guna always does this. I swear to God. I muted you, Guna. Guna, you gotta mute me before you come on the live, girl. I'm about to say, who the hell was that? All right, Guna, I'm gonna unmute you now. Hopefully she listened. Guna, what's up? You're on mute. Jump on the line. Guna?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put Guna in timeout. Somebody else request me. Guna, you just have to mute me on this wherever you're watching me, homie. It's not working. Oh God, it's working, Goran. People are coming on. Click the link, see what it says. Guna, come back in 10 minutes when you figured it out. Come back in 10 minutes, Guna. I don't want to hear myself again. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going in the chat. We got David in the building. What's up, David? Let's go. I'll give it a few. The link is pinned to ask me a question. Whatever you want. Goran, when you click it, what happens? I'll ask you guys a question as I wait. I'll give it a minute, 30 seconds, and I'm out of here. What is hard to you about trading? What? Goran in the building. Goran, what's up, baby? I miss ya. I miss ya. You're on mute, Goran. I unmuted you.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, Captain, my captain. What's up, baby?
Awesome. Hey, bro, what's happening?
I'm good. So what happened? Tell me what happens. When you clicked on it, what did it say? What happened? So I know, because someone's going to say in the chat.
It said to go into a Zoom meeting.
Yeah, it's a Zoom meeting.
Oh, okay.
It's always on Zoom, but
but
forget that, guys. This is Goran. I'm sure you've seen him in my Mexico mentorship. A lot of people saw him. Those videos got some good views on it. That's him. I'm sure you can recognize the accent. Goran, I miss you. You don't know how much I miss you.
Likewise, brother. Honestly, it's I'm waiting to see whether I can come to New York again.
What? Not Zanzibar? I'm surprised. I thought Zanzibar,
I'm not sure.
Because Mexico, we had a blast.
We did both. We honestly did. That was crazy.
So in the chat, you said you were talking about my stats. What did you learn about the stats? Tell me.
Just quick in and out. There's no need to wonder, to overanalyze too long. You see the setup, you just take it. And I traded last night. This morning for you guys, but for me it was last night. It was one of my best nights, actually. Praise God. I was ecstatic.
Tell me why. What ticker? What time? New York. So I have an idea. Maybe I traded around that time. What ticker? What time in New York, roughly speaking? Go.
I traded the first hour, so from 9:30 to 10:30. I'll probably even 10 past 10 when I started to see a lot of sideways, and I just closed my screen and I walked off. I made a little bit last night, which was awesome.
Praise God.
I did 5 trades, one red and 4 green. I only traded one to 2 contracts on MNQ. Yeah, I just literally followed exactly what you wrote in the message. Just do what we did in Mexico.
The message I DM'd you yesterday on the secret Instagram?
Yeah, yeah. Even Mary said, she goes, "Why are you deviating? Like, what are you doing wrong that you weren't doing in Mexico?"
Hey, dude, when did you know, guys, so Goran sent me a message. He was going through some tough time, and I'm like, my brother, were we not green the whole week for Mexico?
Yeah, praise God.
And if we lost the trade in the morning, did we not make it back and more power hour?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
My brother, that's the beautiful thing about international mentorships, where if we do have a bad trade and I'm like, oh no, the whole day is in our hands.
Yeah, that's right.
So when did your wife Mary say that to you? This, what you just said to me. When was this?
When you responded to the message, she was there, and I was telling her. She goes, "But you keep talking about Mexico." But she goes, "What aren't you applying what you did in Mexico?" So she started to mentor me. So she has a psychology background, and she goes, "Well, what did you do there that you're not doing at home?"
So hold on, yeah, that's what I was going to ask you. Without giving too much information, Goran, and I know you know, you've been with me long enough to see behind the scenes content and everything, so I don't have to tell you. You've lived with me. Yeah. You've met my parents, my family, for God's sake, so you know.
Yeah.
So my question to you is, without saying too much, what were you not doing? Oh, sorry. What did you start deviating? Which is normal. You're a human being. What was that? Go. Without giving too much info.
It wasn't deviating more so. It was just more so not being the spider.
Oh, zero patience.
Yeah. That and also not waiting for it to settle down and then run with it.
You're talking about the message you left on the secret Instagram when I did Q&A and you asked that question. Yeah. Well, Goran, you know this. What's up, bro?
I know, bro.
No.
After
Goran.
mentorships.
Goran, wait, stop. Yeah. No. You don't tell you what you said. You can't. You're not someone that took a 3-day class with me. You're someone that took a 3-day, live trading New York Christmas, international Mexico, international Thailand. You have no right to deviate because you saw it all. You saw everything that I won't ever post to the watchers watching. You've seen everything. You traded with me 100%. Side by side at the barber shop while we were waiting to go home.
That was good.
We made some good money that time at the barbershop.
We did. Praise God, we did.
I would have to sit and think. But I think when it comes to mentorship to student interaction, I believe I have to sit down and do the math. I could do it, but I need time to think deeply. You are probably top 3, if not top 2 students, and a friend, of course, who's been with me more time than anybody else. I think you do take the cake. I have to double check, but I think you're the top 2. So now I'll ask the question again.
I wouldn't.
How can you deviate?
I wouldn't call it deviate.
But it is, Goran. Not waiting, not being the spider. That's all my brother. You saw my stats.
I know.
Someone messaged me.
I know.
Someone messaged me that known me since the butt naked days, but he's a pure watcher. No offense to him. He knows. I say it openly. You people are watchers, majority of you. Let's be honest. I don't care. But the point is, this man's a watcher. He's been watching me over 6 years now. He messaged me the other day. He goes, bro, I've known you for so long. During the penny stock trading days, you never showed your P&L. What's up? And I go simply, bro, if you were watching me long enough, you would know the penny stock trading days, I made fortunes that I don't want people. Even if I posted them, people wouldn't believe it. Goran, you know, I posted on the secret Instagram when I used to trade penny stocks. You know what I used to make, right?
Yeah.
It was small fortunes. Penny with the futures, it's fine. It's not like crazy numbers because social media, no matter what you post, everyone thinks everything is fake. So that's perfect. I like that. Sure. The second part is, if I posted my penny stock numbers, you would be like, there is no way. That's insane. You would say things like that. So with the futures, I'm like, these are nothing numbers. Even though I'm not showing my full copy trading, where it's actually way bigger than what I showed yesterday or today on my stats. It's actually...
No one needs to know.
Sorry?
No one needs to know.
Yeah, of course. No one needs to know. I'm not here to prove it to anyone. Plus, I don't care if people believe me or don't. You know this, Goran. But my point is, You saw the stats. You saw what I did. All of that, if you pause, because on the secret Instagram, I think I showed it a little better. I don't know, but if you pause the video, Goran, and you look at the stats, you notice if you put the math into it, it's all the spider. I think anyway, someone go check. The average hold time for my winners was what? 2 minutes and 40 seconds, Goran?
I'm not sure, but on average, my trades were all under a minute. They were my best trades. And my losing trade was like 5 minutes. Boom. It was the longest one. And I just didn't cut early enough. That's all it was.
Boom. Guys, for those asking questions in the chat, I'm not answering any of you. You have to jump on a live. David, I'll answer you. You know I love you. Stargazer, you're a mentorship student. I love you. But I'm not reading it yet. But the watchers, you have to click the pinned message. I'm not answering your questions. So boom. How do you even get via chat? Ladies and gentlemen, I just came from the spa. I don't want to block anyone, but I think I'm going to. For the love of God, on the chat, it's a big ass box that says ask me a question. When you click it, it takes you to a Zoom. I'm trying to be nice because I'm on the phone with Goran and I love Goran. Like I love Goran, I love Elgin. People that trade like me and are like me. Some of my mentorship students, I don't love as much as Goran or Elgin because they want to sit and trade for 2 hours and take 20 trades. Like, you're cool, I love you, but I don't want to be next to you. You know what I'm saying? Back to Goran. Goran, every single piece of that stat shows that for me to trade for less than, my winning trade to my stats for less than 3 minutes, doesn't that show you that I was patiently waiting for the setup to come to me?
Yeah.
And
the one we did in Mexico, the same thing.
Same thing. Same exact thing. We were in, we were out. So continue. Why are you not being the spider? But you say you're not really deviating. If your wife Mary said it, it is deviation. It's pure deviation. That's like this, Goran. Next week is live trading. We're trading the whole week. Going to Wall Street with my mentorship students. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on, Goran. Oh, my phones just fell. How the hell did that happen? Shit. Hold on. My Instagram live, what?
Oh, wow.
The maids probably were touching everything. Hold on. My bad. Holy moly. That was kind of crazy, the way it just fell. All right, fixed it. Sorry, TikTok. Looked like probably an earthquake happened. Sorry, IG. Goran, what was I saying? I'm sorry. I got thrown off. All my phones. I just caught them. What did I say? Sorry.
February live trading.
Oh, yeah. So next week is live trading, right? We're going to Wall Street Tuesday. We're live trading. We'll probably maybe do power hour. I don't know. It depends on the scheduling. But we're live trading the whole week. Do you really think I'm going to pull up, click the chart? All right, everyone get in a trade. We're taking a trade and we're done? Or are we going to sit there going, let's see what comes. Wait. Which one? Goran? Check your mic. You're not mute. Because I can see if you're mute or not. Oh, man, that was
I can hear you now.
Okay, you're back. So answer that question, Goran.
Sorry, what was the question again?
No worries, Goran. No worries. I'm trading live all next week with all the students. I'm going to go live. I'm going to film it, the whole 9 yards. I got the cameras on me, and I have to make money too. I got bills to pay. Do you think I'm just going to jump in a trade? I'm going to sit there and wait for all you know what I taught you to align.
Yeah, you just wait for your setup when everything lines up. That's the.
So if you know that's it, why are you not doing
it? Probably having cleansed the mentality from the past scars that I had still.
Goran, those scars were so long ago. Come on.
I know.
Come on.
I know, but we everyone has an excuse why something doesn't work.
Yeah.
But when you make it work, it's like, why was that even affecting you?
Correct. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying.
And that's what I proved to myself last night. I switched off everything, and I've got my monitors up. I literally took the notes we took in Mexico. I read them probably over 5 times, and I just actioned it. And I'll send you my P&L a little bit later. I'm so proud of it.
I believe it. Bro, you said the key word just now. You reread your notes again and again. those notes from the mentorship, the international, or the 3-day New York ones are liquid gold. That's why you have those notes and stuff, man.
I've got half a book of notes.
That's what I said. You've been with me. I'll have to sit and check, but I think you've been with me for the longest, probably, time-wise. Because Thailand and then the international is super accelerated time.
Yeah. That's the most bonding you can get with the mentor. It's the best mentorship, hands down.
100%.
One-on-one, sipping on coconuts. That's fantastic.
Nothing beat. No, of course, I'll always say nothing tops at international. You're with me nonstop. I don't leave you. We live in the mansion. We live in the villas. We're there. Like, what the freak? Yeah, 100%. By the way, for those in the chat, you're like, why is he still on? I love Goran. He's a mentorship. He can stay on for 2 hours, and everyone else will have to wait. But I see now everyone's live. Now I see all the requests coming in. But I'm going to spend some time with Goran. But Goran, anything else you want to say, my brother?
Just stick to the plan. Don't deviate. Just wait until your setup comes and execute. Just don't deviate. That's pretty much it, really.
And now
be focused, laser focused.
And as I have you on the line, and you know I would speak straight with you. Well, I speak straight with everyone because I'm not here to be liked by the watchers on the camera. But this week I'm going to film a video after the live is done. I have some filming to do because I have to request a payout from all of the prop firms. Well, only one, but multiple I can't even talk. Multiple funded accounts. I have to request it, right? And you don't think for 1 minute today, especially, I'm not going to lie. I always speak the truth. Today was my lowest number, how much I made in the week. Why do you think so?
I think this week in general, the market was a little bit spooked.
Yeah.
There was I don't know. It just felt weird this week in general, just trading, but there's no need to show your P&L to anyone.
No, I know. But I'm making stat videos, like the leaderboard videos. I got so much content from Funding Ticks that hasn't been posted yet. Literally, I got so much, because the vlog has taken up all my YouTube video content. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. There's a massive schedule. So I literally, when the vlog is done, episode 31, people are like, well, where's this Funding Ticks? I have so much data to show you and talk how I made I'm going to show you payouts. I'm going to show you so much stuff I have. By the way, everyone, next Tuesday, I will be live 8 p.m. I'm going to show you how to pass a prop account, and I'm going to show you how I passed my prop accounts, what I did. I'm going to show you all my data so I can help some of you watchers make some money. But 100% right, Goran. I appreciate you. And remember, the devil is constantly whispering things in your ear. Just got to fight and ignore him. I'm just got to say it.
Of course.
Thank you,
I don't let him in my environment anyway.
100%. By the way, I don't know if you saw this, but when I was in one of the islands, St. Thomas, I don't know. I go towards the end of the video. Did you watch it? I shouted you out. I met a Palestinian guy who's a multimillionaire who I ran into on the street. He does exactly what you do. Roller shutters. He's the #1 guy on the island.
Oh, wow.
You didn't watch it. I gave you a shout out. Oh, you didn't see it. Okay, listen. Go to the Instagram. You know when I was island hopping a few weeks ago?
Yeah.
Go all the way down. Find it. It's because I only posted when I was traveling a little bit. I think on the top it says St. Martin, St. Kitts, St. whatever. I think it was St. Thomas. Go to video number 17, 18, 19, and I give you a shout out in the video.
I watch all your videos.
Well, my brother, then you didn't watch it.
I missed that.
You missed it because the guy, I said, Goran, look, he's one of the richest guys on the island, Palestinian Muslim. He goes, I run all the roller shutters on the island. I said, Goran, can I record a video? He's like, sure. He invited me into his house. You were talking about the war in the Middle East and stuff, and we were just having. He's like, all my relatives, everyone's dead. They're like, Israel killed all my relatives. I'm like one of the last remaining ones. I said, homie, goddamn, that's a sad story. I said, damn.
Wow.
But go watch it. I gave you a shout out.
I'm going to look for it.
Yeah. I think it's St. Thomas.
I appreciate it.
Of course, bro. Oh, and I also gave you a shout out in another video. My student Will, who came from New Zealand, brought me the same chocolate you brought me. Did you watch that?
You can't compare Whitman's chocolate to the chocolate I brought.
No, but you also brought me that too.
Sorry?
You brought me the same chocolate too, you don't remember?
Not the Whitman's.
No, Goran, you brought me that in Thailand, bro.
Not Whitman's. I brought black. Oh, I forgot the name.
Goran, I'm 99% you brought me that. Or did Mick bring it? Was it you or Mick?
I don't know. I don't remember.
I remember. Somebody from Australia, which Mick or you, chocolate. You know, you don't play with my chocolate. Then it's either you or Mick who put it in my hand. But Goran, I miss you. Send me the P&L. Congrats on your trade. Let me get to all these people, Goran. I appreciate you.
Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.
See you soon. God
See you.
bless.
God bless. Bye.
See you, bye-bye.
Bye. All right, let's keep going. All right, Goran's gone. Next one, let's go down the list. Carlos Rivera. What's up, Carlos? By the way, Guna, whenever you're ready, I'll bring you back on. Whenever you have your system. Guna's always issues with you. When you have everything set up, I'll bring you back on. Carlos, what's up?
What's up, Professor? How you doing?
I'm good. Are you the Rivera in the chat that's counting all the people I'm blocking?
Yes, I am.
What's up, baby? What's up?
We're going to make it number 10?
Bro, you know what's funny? Today in the afternoon, I was going on my YouTube, and these morons have no life. Massive bot spam comment attack on one of my vlogs. And I'm like, oh, you're so stupid. These people are spending money because this is the thing, I don't think they understand. I just have to click one button and it removes hundreds of, I think they think that me or someone on my team is sitting clicking delete. It's one click of a button and all the fake messages and this go away like this. It's so bizarre. I don't know who's spending so much money, but it is what it is. How can I help you, Rivera? What's up, baby?
All right, Professor. I got one question, and I know I don't want you to give too much sauce because I know that you say all the videos. So I'm having issues. I feel like I'm going late in the trades. Every time I go in a trade, what can I do to get better at that?
So Rivera, I like you. I can't answer this question because too much sauce. I got you because I like you. There's a difference that some people on the internet don't understand. There's love for my mentorship students. There's love for people that are active in the chat, who comment, who engage, who are cool with me, who I'll let get away with certain things. And then there's pieces of shit human beings that don't deserve any of my time, that I never see comment, but they'll DM me nonsense, but they'll never leave a public comment or like or engage. So that's the category of human beings. You get what I'm saying, Rivera?
Yeah, I get it.
You fall in the second category. You're not a mentorship, and I see you active, and you make me laugh, so I love you, bro.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I got you. So I know the YouTube's a little delayed from the call right now, but stay with me on the YouTube call. Are you watching the YouTube? Because I'm going to draw on the board.
Yeah, I'm watching the YouTube.
Okay, so there'll be a delay, but just wait for it. So the question Rivera asked, he's always late to the trade. So Rivera, without giving you too much, I'll give it to you in this sense, okay?
Okay.
There's a lot of stuff going on, multiple time frames, the whole 9 yards, data points. If you are analyzing too much data, you're already far behind. For example, people that are, and again, I'm not here to offend anyone. Here, a lot of people need to understand something about me. I'm never here to offend anyone by what I say. It's that I just talk like this and it has to be said. That's what it is. So if what I'm about to say hurts your feeling, unsubscribe, unfollow, go somewhere else, my brother. I don't care. So listen to me. There's a difference between college-educated people, dropouts, and people that are just not made for the college, high school, school system. Usually highly educated people with degrees, and I guess me, but I don't think I fall in this category, even though I have multiple degrees, are highly educated, the whole 9 yards. They overthink everything, overanalyze everything, and they think just because they have degrees or have higher education that they're better than everyone else. They overanalyze everything, right? Then you have the dropouts in school that were never really A students, B students. They were like F, D, C's. They didn't care. The lazy ones always find a shortcut to get something done. So what I'm trying to tell you is you are probably overanalyzing things. That's why in class I help you solve that when you're overanalyzing stuff. And when you overanalyze, what do? You enter trades late. Once you have all the data points figured out, I can look at the chart and click, 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 I'm in the trade. By the time I'm in and out the trade, you're already deciding should you take the trade. Do you understand what I'm saying, Rivera?
Yes, I do understand.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. And are you, without saying too much, overanalyzing, doing too much?
Yes.
Boom.
Now, I just wanted to confirm. I wanted to hear it from you, but I know I'm overanalyzing.
Boom. That's it. And these are issues I can solve. Bro, DM me. Let's get you in the class before I leave for Zanzibar in May, because I'm going to be gone for a long time. I can't believe May's around the corner. There's only 2 classes left before I leave the country.
I know. That's like one of my goals right now. To go to one of your classes.
DR? You're not. What are you? Dominican or Puerto Rican?
I'm half and half. I don't know if you remember.
Puerto Rican, Dominican.
Yeah.
Yeah. Boom. So we're going in April. I think I only have 1 seat or 2 seats left. I have to check, but I think only 1 or 2 bedrooms left. But point being, DM me. Let's see what we could do for you. But by the way, I'm talking to him. I'm not talking to watchers. I'm talking to Rivera because I like Rivera. So that's the thing, Rivera. Let's solve it. Let's make 2026 your thing. Like you heard Goran talk about it. Like if you look at the chat, what's up, David? I see Goran is a heart changer. Dakota, good to see you, Dakota. Could have been Mick. He brought you up. Can confirm. Professor definitely notices if you interact with this content. Boom. So point being, Rivera, let's see what I could do. Get in the room, bro. Get in next to me. Let's figure out what's wrong with you.
Okay, that sounds good, Professor.
DM me. Let's see what we could do. Let me try to help you.
Okay.
See you, bro. Bye.
All right, see you.
See you. Bye. All right, next. Guna, where'd you go? I hope she didn't get upset. It's just that I got time, bro. I can't keep hearing myself. Gio, you are unmute. Talk to me, Gio. What's up, bro?
What's up, Professor?
It's good. Are you my Gio? I have a few Giovanni, so I don't know. Are you mine or not mine? When I say mine, meaning a mentorship student, are you one of mine?
I was in the video, the last prop firm, the latest one.
Give me more than that.
Yeah, you told me to send you a DM, and I have the 3 books, but I haven't taken the class yet.
Oh, what's up, Gio? What's going on, bro?
Yeah.
How can I help you, Gio?
So I was wondering, I know that I have to wait for a payout to start copy trading. So I was wondering, when you started copy trading, did it affect your mentality or did it affect your trades?
What a question! Finally, finally, I love it. Rivera asked a good question. Finally, the question was asked. Did it affect my mentality when I copy trade? 100%. I know the world says one thing. I don't care what these Discord 20-year-old sellers are saying. Let me tell you, as a grown man, not a 20-year-old kid running a Discord, the amount of pressure it adds subconsciously and consciously, it weighs on you. Like I copy trade all the time. Like if I do one account, I perform way better. I make way more money than I do with, again, I drop my stats. It's not much. Copy trading, then it's a lot. Like if you do the math on that number, 5 days, 3 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever, put it together and then copy trade, then the number becomes gigantic. But overall, I could have done way better with the singular account. So yes, 100%, Gio.
Okay.
Anything else? That was it? Did I help you?
I have a question about the book, but I think
what?
I'll get some sauce about the first book.
Talk in code, and I'll see. I want to help you. You bought my books, bro. I appreciate you. Talk in code without saying too much, and let me see if I can help you, because I don't like they're pathetic watchers, bro. I don't want to help a lot of these watchers that do nothing. They don't like, they don't comment, they don't engage. Hell no, they don't deserve it, bro. I was thinking the other day. Yeah. I was like, you know what? I would happily go live 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, live trading, breakdowns. If you people supported more. But no, I'm actually thinking of going to once a week. I'm just being honest. I don't know. I'm thinking about it.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. I'm thinking about it. Because why? You don't show it. You don't show it. But I'm not talking to you, by the way, Gio. I'm talking in general to the watchers, not you.
Yeah.
So ask it. as best as you can without too much. Go.
All right, so it was for page 94.
Hold on. Physical, of course.
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
Page 90. Everyone, page 94. Again, thousands and thousands of these have sold, so I know most of you are holding these.
How to be a consistent trader.
Yep, I know. Okay, page 94. Talk.
All right, so the scalp trade.
Long or short?
Well, both.
Okay, go.
I was wondering if that's more for like the higher time frames.
Okay, don't say too much. Let me see. Let me talk.
Yeah.
Let me talk in a way because I want to help you, bro. I like you. Let me see. Smaller.
Like middle?
You know what, Gio? DM me. I'll tell you.
Okay, got you.
I'll help you, bro. I'm not gonna say it on this live. Okay?
Okay, thanks.
But do me a favor, do it after this live ends, because I'm gonna film content and I'm not checking DMs. Let me do it now.
Okay.
Alright, thank you, Gio. Bye.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Professor, it says host is not allowing to unmute. Yeah, hold on, I'm going through everybody. I think that's Guna, Gigi. I think. Hold on. 80 viewers, 30 likes. That's what I'm saying, Christina. That's what I'm trying to say. Why should I stand here and give you all the info when you people can't do a millisecond thing? It is what it is. Oh no, Professor, once a week. I'm thinking about it. Crazy that most of y'all watching aren't even like, that's what I'm saying. They're pathetic watchers. That's why you think I talk like this. Why you think, I don't blame you. Bro, the amount of money I make trading, I could care less. Literally, I'm just being honest. I could care less. That's just why I talk like this. All right, next person. Marshall. Hi, Marshall. You're unmute. What's up?
What's up, Professor?
I'm good, man. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good also.
Talk to me. How can I help you?
I don't have a really question, but I want to speak with someone that I trade about this.
Wait. Sorry, you don't have a question, but you want to talk about what? I didn't hear you. Sorry.
Yes, I want to speak about something.
Sure.
Because I bought a trading account, so the prop firm.
Which prop firm?
From that was the first one. That was
Funding Ticks or Tradeify?
Funding Ticks.
Okay, but you know Funding Ticks is gone, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know.
Okay.
But that was last year, we can say.
Okay.
That was last year.
Okay.
I bought it. That was 25K at that time because I want to try it first.
Mm-hmm.
So I was up good. So I was I was like good up.
Mm-hmm.
But in one time I tried to trade. I know it's bad. I tried to trade market open.
Okay. New York market open 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I know that was it was not
degeneracy. It's okay. You did degeneracy. Keep going. I'm here. I'm helping you. Keep going.
Yes. And I lose half of my profit.
Okay.
Then I'm trying to get it up, but I keep losing and lose the account.
Okay.
So I signed up also for the mentorship. So
wait.
Yeah, I'm
Marshall, you're the one coming in May.
Yeah.
Bro, why didn't you start with that first? I know you.
Yes.
What's up, baby? How you doing?
Good, man.
Bro, guys, when you jump on a call with me or something and you're new, tell me you're a mentorship student. I don't know some of I know Marshall now. When he said it, I'm like, oh, Marshall, his name, secret. So guys, start introducing yourself if you're new to me. Like Marshall just signed up for the May mentorship. So what's up, bro? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
I want to know you. Where you from?
I'm from Netherlands.
Nice.
So I live in the Netherlands right now.
But what island you from? Because that's an island accent, bro. I travel all the islands. I know an island accent.
Yeah, I'm from Curacao.
So
we can speak.
Shut up. Elgin's Island?
Yeah, Elgin Island.
Bro. I'm not gonna say it on the live. I'm gonna go back next year.
Oh.
Listen. Let's plan this. I'm not gonna say it now. I'll DM you the secret Instagram.
Okay. Let's go.
Well, I'm gonna meet you in May. Let's see how that goes.
Yes.
If we connect, I'm just being honest. I'm being honest, Marshall. If we connect well, like I connected with Elgin, and when I go back to Curacao, come to the house. Let's live trade you and Elgin. We'll do it together.
Okay. We're going to say then. We're going to see then in May. When I'm going to.
We'll see in May, correct. I already know when I'm going to be there, but I'm not going to say it on a live. By the way, I shouldn't have said that because now I know what's going to happen. Ladies and gentlemen, do not DM me. No, you cannot meet me in Curacao. No, you cannot trade with me. This is not a trading mentorship in Curacao. It's my travels. And if I'm on the island and I like the person, I'm going to. So please, let's not start that shenanigan. Yo, bro, when they saw me, Marshall, with Elgin, the amount of DMs I got. What?
Yeah, I saw them, and I understand also, some of those people, but we cannot say too much about that.
Correct.
Because it's not a thing that you have planned.
Correct. It's not even that. My brother Elgin didn't pay me. He's there.
Yeah.
I called him. I said, "Yo, come over. Let's trade." You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand. Definitely,
It's my decision, and if I'm not doing it, don't ask me. Like, I don't want to go into it because I know I'm going to go on a rant and I'm going to go mental. I don't want to right now. I'm not in the mood. I just came back from the spa. I'm chilling, baby. Please block. What happened in the chat? Hold on, Marshall. What's happening in the chat? Big Lou.
I think the Big Lou, yeah.
Big Lou. What did he say? Big Lou, don't get first time using. What a stupid thing to say. I'm going to block him, but those in the future won't be able to see. He wrote, "It's my first time using Vaseline." Yo, Lou, you funny, bro, but I'm going to block you. Don't say stupid things in my classroom. That was, I'm going to hand it to you, though. That's funny. That's funny. Yo, listen, you have fun at those Diddy parties, okay? Block. Thank you, chat. Thank you, chat. Okay, anybody else I got to block?
Yes.
Hold on, let me see how. What's up, baby? The professor killing it. Okay. Speed up the question, dude. Yo, Will, don't get blocked. Don't get blocked, Will. I'll stay on live, but Marshall's a mentorship student. He can stay on for 2 hours if he wants to. All right, Marshall, continue.
Yes, I don't know if you have any tip for me.
About
I'm going to buy another account right now on Tradeify.
Okay. Remember, use the code, guys. Just hit sell if you're going to use Tradeify, the best prop firm right now. Use the code just hit sell. Don't pay full price.
Yes.
Continue.
Yes. I want to buy the one of 50K.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for more the trade loss and
drawdown. More drawdown.
Yeah, the drawdown. Yes,
yeah.
Yes, that's part. I want to buy that one.
Okay.
And I want, maybe if you can give me a tip or something, because
But Marshall, I'm trying to understand what you want. You want me to help you understand which prop firm to buy, the best one?
No.
Okay.
I want a tip because for my situation that I have with the 25K account.
Okay.
Last year.
What happened with funding ticks? You blew it by doing shenanigans and degeneracy.
Yes,
it's affecting your mindset.
I think I was like a little bit hype that I was so up.
Yeah.
I was a little bit hype. Sorry, I was a little bit hype.
Yeah.
To take the money out or something. I don't know. And I do the shenanigan.
Of course. So this is what I would tell you, Marshall. You're probably not going to like the answer. And also, you have Elgin's Instagram?
Yes.
I want you to DM him because he's also coming to the May mentorship. I want you guys to come together and become really close friends.
Okay.
So DM him. Elgin, if you're watching this, you're in his, I'm not going to say his Instagram because people are going to DM him, but Marshall, he's in the secret Instagram. Go to my following and message him. Link up. Come together, May. And take the class together and make a bond together. I think that would be a killer team.
I'm coming March.
You're coming up? No, but come May too. I'm saying it's free. If you know this, right?
Okay, then
that's what I'm saying.
Try to make both then.
Bro, you can come. You paid one time New York. New York is free. The 3-day classes. March is free for you. You paid for March. May is free now. Come with him.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool.
That's what I'm
Then,
trying to say.
I'm going to work on that one to come in March and also in May. Yeah.
Boom. There you go.
Definitely.
Now to deeper answer your question, this is what I would tell you. Number one, again, you're not going to like the answer, but it's the truth. Number one, wait for the class, okay? So you can stop wasting money blowing accounts and shenanigans. I have to fix what's wrong with you. Something's wrong with you. That's why you're coming to me. I will fix you. Do you understand?
Yes.
Like when you go to the mental asylum or when you go to a doctor, you go there because something's wrong and you can't figure it out, correct?
Yes, but I don't like doctors. But
No.
Yes.
It's an example, Marshall. It's an example.
Yeah.
So you're coming to me. So take a chill pill. This is what buy a 150K account, trade a few MNQs here and there, warm up, go through the videos on the secret Instagram playlist. Did you go through the videos on the secret Instagram, the playlist?
Yes.
Go through that.
Yeah.
Prep yourself. Get ready. The money will come, my brother. I promise you. I got you.
Yeah.
Plus, I'm going to see you in Curaçao next year. Come over. We'll trade at my house. I got you.
Yeah, definitely. So don't buy the 5K account.
50,
So buy
25 or 50K. No. Buy the biggest one because you have to
Biggest
learn.
one,
You
okay.
have too much issues with hitting sell. You do shenanigans. But if you have more drawdown, it protects you. Every new trader just needs one thing. More drawdown, Marshall. That's it.
Okay. That's cool.
Because the thing is, a lot of people message me like, I bought a 25K account. I blew it in 6 seconds. I'm like, 25K, there's no drawdown. You have no wiggle room. If you do stupidity, you instantly. But with the 150K, you got to do some serious shenanigans to blow. Like, you really are reckless behavior.
Yes, and that was also the thing because the 25 account was a drawdown was
$1,000 or something, I think.
Yes, but I was carefully with that $1,000, so I was going up nice, and then, boom.
I know. It's
It was
because
outside, yeah.
you don't know what you're doing. That's why you... Marshall, why did you sign up for my class? Why are you flying in from the Netherlands? By the way, I hate asking this. I don't want anything, but I love the chalk in the Netherlands. But don't bring me anything. But don't bring me anything. Don't bring me anything. But I love Netherlands chocolate, but don't bring me anything. Why are you coming to me, Marshall?
I'm coming to you because we can say last year I began to watch you. But yeah, a point in my life, I'm like, I'm working from 15 years old. I began to work, but it was a time, a point in my life that I'm working, but I don't see what is the point of working every single day, and you don't have time. So when I'm going to come home, we can say, when I'm coming home, I can do nothing.
I know.
I just need to eat, and
I know.
that's
I know what you're going through, Marshall. I got you, bro. I will see you. It's February, March. March is next month. Class starts. I will see you in March, Marshall. I got you.
Yeah.
Whatever
So,
you need, message me on the secret Instagram. I got you, bro.
Okay, it's cool.
Thank you, bro.
And and also
Go.
today was a blessed day for me.
Tell me
you can
why.
say.
Good. Praise God. Why?
Because I need to go to the class, a class for work.
Mm-hmm.
I was sitting in a class. It was a little kid come sit with our in the classroom, and then I bought something for me, but I have who can say the word.
Try to describe the word. If you don't know the word, try to describe what it is.
So I share a piece of it.
Okay.
With her.
Okay.
So I got 50 times back what I've give.
Ah, 100%. When you give, God rewards.
Yes. Yes, definitely. So today was the biggest day of my life.
Praise God on that. Marshall, I don't talk about this publicly or record it like some of these pathetic humans on the internet. I give away small fortunes a month to so many different poor people, like things I do that I don't ever talk about. And the amount I get, this is why I make the amount I make, because the amount I give is insane.
Yes, my grandma learned that also.
Yep.
So yeah, keep giving because you don't know when or where you're going to get back. So
Correct.
Keep giving.
Correct.
Giving. Have a good heart and keep giving.
Yep. And that's it. You can't have closed pockets. I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
Thank you, Marshall.
No,
We'll talk, bro.
That was everything. Thank you, Professor.
You're welcome. Go message Elgin on the secret Instagram.
Okay,
Go.
that's cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
You.
All right. Let's keep it going. Good questions, man. I love it. All right. Greg, you're next, but let me get Guna. Please, Guna. Please, Guna. Make sure you've muted me on the YouTube. You know I love you, girl, but goddamn, Guna. All right, Guna, talk to me. Let me see if I'm going to hear myself. All right, let's keep it going. Good questions, man. I love it. All right, Greg, you're next, but let me get Guna. Please, Guna. Please, Guna. Make sure you've muted me on the... I try...
I'm waiting.
Greg, give me 2 seconds. Hold, let me finish laughing. I try.
I've seen that. I saw that.
I try to be nice. Like I give gentle instructions. Oh my God. My God, Guna. My God. I can't. Like, what am I doing wrong? Okay, Greg, what's up, is this Greg from Bali?
No, this is the Greg from Europe that I.
Oh, different Greg. Okay, no, because
I was in Asia.
Oh, the Greg from Asia. Yeah, the mentorship student who's coming in May.
Exactly.
Oh, okay, yeah. But you were in Bali, right, Greg?
No, I was in Philippines.
Philippines, sorry, Philippines. Yeah. We just spoke, 100%.
For 2 months.
You know what's funny?
Yeah.
You're coming to Gray, Elgin's coming, and you're just gonna. Well, Marshall said he's coming. God willing, he comes to May because he's coming to March. I love it that you guys are listening to each other and getting to know each other like this. Because when you meet in class, you're like, oh shit, you're the guy from Professor's Live. So this is perfect. Talk to me, Greg. What's up? You can ask me any amount of questions you want. You're a mentorship student. You have full rights, whatever you want. But of course, not too much sauce type questions. But talk to me, Greg. How can I help
Professor,
you?
I have a whole list of questions.
Go, bro.
Not for tonight. It's
Go, bro.
class.
You have full right. You're a mentorship student. You are closer to me than a lot of other people. But I just can't answer if it's too deep, too much information. If you understand what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Okay.
No, like I said, I have a whole list of questions, but that's for the class.
Oh, got it.
Okay,
done. Well, ask whatever you want to ask now then. No worries.
Oh yes. I have a question about the prop firm, the new one we're using. And
Yep.
it's just...
Tradeify. Yep.
It's about that, the consistency, because I'm doing the evaluation one. And
wait, hold on, Greg. Let me write it on the board because I think I know you're gonna ask me. So let me just make sure I give you the right info. So give me 2 seconds. Let me clean out the board and write down what you're asking me. So guys, Greg is asking me about a prop firm related question. By the way, every single Tuesday of this month, I will be live answering questions that Greg's probably gonna ask. So I'm gonna do it every Tuesday because I got a lot of DMs about it. So Greg, prop firm, Tradeify, what's the question?
Now, the question is most of the answers I got from your videos and the shorts and everything on Instagram and YouTube. But there's one, the one with the average. Now, I'm trading. When I blew one, the 150. I remember I asked you about it wasn't working, the code, and then it worked. I signed up.
Yeah.
So I blew that.
Okay.
But anyway, let's go to the next one.
That's fine. You're coming to class so you can figure out why you're losing. That's the point of the class, of course.
I figured it out from my notes and your answers on the YouTube and stuff. So yeah, no, I'm getting a lot of knowledge from your YouTube videos.
Good man. So wait, let's go back a second. You said you were confused about something, consistency. What about it?
Yeah. So not that I'm confused. It's just what's the best way? Like I do the trades, and let's say just an example. I did 1,000 today, 800 next day, and so on and so on.
But wait, before you continue, Greg, hold on. I just want to make sure. because there's different levels of consistency, 20%, 40%. What account are you buying for? So I want to give you the right answer. What account size is this?
Oh, that's 100K.
Eval or instant funded?
Eval.
100K eval, which has a consistency score of 40%. Okay, now ask your question, bro.
So my question is, I know you said before in the videos that consistency, so if you make like let's say for example 800, the next day you make 1,000, then you make 500, then like it's an average. But then how do I get to that 40%? Because it's very hard for
Greg,
me.
Listen, after this live ends, it's so funny you said that. You know what? Where's my other phone? Oh, it's charging. All the phones are live. The other ones are charging. Do me a favor, Greg. Once this, not now, but when you hang up the call, DM me on the secret Instagram. I actually have to make a video for YouTube, regular YouTube. This is YouTube Live, regular YouTube, because I officially have to. I could take a payout today, and I got the consistency. I got everything I needed to. So I will make that video for you, bro, and I'll send it over on the secret Instagram. And I'll explain exactly how I did it. And I can go in depth because it's a secret Instagram, not the watchers on the regular Instagram. You got me?
Yeah, I got
So how about that? Let me do that for you. Because here I can't go in depth. But on the secret, I'll give you the whole sauce there. Cool?
That's perfect.
Done, bro.
Thank you very much.
I got you. Was that it? That's all you wanted?
Yeah, no, I got the other, but not for today. Not for today.
No, I got you, Greg. Done. Just message me now. That way, because I'm gonna be active, filming content, doing a lot of content stuff. So I'll knock out whatever you want me to do right now.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, thank you for your time, Professor.
You're welcome, bro. Of course. I'll see you.
We'll be in touch. Thank you.
Done. See you. Bye, Greg.
God bless.
God bless. All right, next version. Who's that? Salo, my brother. My Turkish brother. Salo, you are on mute. What's up, baby?
What's up, Professor?
I'm good, man. How you doing? I missed you last class. The first time you haven't came, but I know the weather was atrocious. I don't blame you.
I missed you too, Professor.
Talk to me, Salo. How can I help you?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, bro. I can hear you.
I have no question, to be honest. The reason that I get on this call, I wanna share something.
Sure.
I was watching a podcast on YouTube, and they were like very successful and who's been in trading for so many years. They were talking about their strategies and how they do well, and what they were telling in that podcast that they were constantly backtesting their strategy. They do paper trading. They stick to their screens the whole day. And then I noticed, your strategy and the way you teach us the mindset, I knew it was amazing. It was great. But when I listen to these successful traders who is making killings in trading, but the way they do it, they actually not taking advantage of trading. You know how we say we want our time back, all that. Hello?
I'm listening, Salo. I'm listening to you. Talk.
Yeah.
I'm listening.
And I just wanna say I really appreciate the way how you teach us the mindset, the strategy, all that. I just wanted to say thank you.
Thank you, bro. But wait, before you say anything, insider trading, you must be new here, so it's okay. Can you show any proof? I've done all of it. Go watch my videos. You must be new, so I'm not going to say too much because you did speak respectfully. So you didn't put any disrespect in that message. Go watch my live videos where I went over leaderboards, payouts. You're new here, so I don't blame you for that content. And he took it back. Bro, why'd you delete your message? I wasn't going to block you. It's okay. You have a right to ask that question. Do you have any proof? I have nothing but proof on my content. Goran, he has nothing to prove. No, I know, Goran. Salo, you're here. That guy was saying, did I make the leaderboards? Have you seen it?
I just go on his YouTube. It's there. You'll see.
Have you seen payouts? Have you seen it all from me shown publicly live?
Yeah, myself, I've seen it.
So no worries. And I wish you didn't take that back. I could still block you, but I'm not going to because you said that respectfully, bro. It's okay. But Salo, I want to understand because I'm confused. I understand what you said about the video, but then you're thanking me for how I taught you. Why? What did you realize when you were watching that you're thanking me? I don't get it. I want to understand. What?
Yes. My English is not really
No,
great,
your English is fine. I understood. I just want to understand why you watched the video and they showed all the traders all the years. I get it, but why are you thanking me?
One of the traders, she was in a leaderboard and she was in a second place, and she's been trading about either 15 or 20 years.
Okay.
But she still says she still does paper trading, backtesting her strategy, and she's still doing the same thing for like every day, about 6, 7, 8 hours every day. And I was like, the way you teach us, the way you teach us to trade, like, we could trade in 10, 15 minutes and we could be done for a day.
Yeah.
I know at the beginning, when we try to become a profitable trader, of course, we got to do chart time, as you said. But this person, I'm not saying their style or the way they make money, it's bad, but I'm just saying the way you teach us is a lot more comfortable, a lot more easier.
Thank you, bro. You know what? I've said this many times, Salo, and I'll say it. And by the way, Michelle Gold, yes, he's from your class. I'll say this. Remember, a lot of these traders, majority of them are children in their 20s. That's number one. Number two, they don't have degrees in education, economics, doing the game for 13 years of educating people on how to make money in the markets. Do you understand?
Yeah.
They just don't know. That's all it is. They just don't know. I'm certified. Like GP Filoro 11 said this. He goes, Professor is masterfully trained to do what he does on social media. He's 100% right.
That's why you are a professor. You are teaching economics.
That's what I'm saying. These people that you're watching on the show, they don't know how to probably teach. They're not built for it. Like I trade, I get payouts, I get leaderboard, I show everything. And again, I recently even dropped all the stuff for the guy Insiders Trading Futures who took the comment message back. It's okay because on the internet, no matter what you do, everything is fake, and that's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. Believe whatever you want. But point being, Salo, it's not their fault. Number one, majority of them are children who've never really lived a life. Number two, they just know how to click some buttons and make money off their Discord. Number three, they can't really give you all the information because why would you pay them monthly for their Discord? Do you understand?
Yes.
So they'll give you advice like me. You see me live trade, Salo. I had nothing from you. I even give a lot of sauce on the secret Instagram and the classes. So I have nothing because I don't need your money. You paid once. So I know you're a serious man. You're serious. Go.
That's a beautiful thing. You pay once and you could come back as much as you wanted to. Like once you fail, once you feel that you lost, just come back.
Correct.
It's free to come back once you pay once.
Boom. And the 3-day classes are free. The international is like 50% off for mentorship and more for the watchers. But Salo, that's all it is. I have nothing to lose by giving you everything. I have everything to gain because as a Muslim, you're a Muslim. I'm trying to get to the good place.
Exactly. That's what I believe. That's what part of your success comes from.
Listen, I think all of it comes because the more I give, the more I get. I told a story, Salo. When I started having $30,000 days, penny stock days, and more than that, it was the day I started giving my mother, the day I started giving her good amounts consistently, my profits rocket. I've never seen anything like this. I was confused.
I'll tell you a funny story.
Give me.
Recently, I sent some money to my mom.
In Turkey?
And in Turkey. And the same day, I made 10 times of it.
Bro, the Quran, the Prophet, he told us all this already, of course.
Yeah.
I'll tell you a story off live. I don't want to say it on live, but remind me to tell you the story about giving and what I do monthly. And you'll be like, oh my God. I don't want to say it on live. I'll tell you side by side. I don't want to mention it to the, I don't like talking about things like that.
Evil eye, I understand. Evil eyes.
Well, no, it's not even evil eye. I just don't like, but my charities and the things I do, giveaways, is for me and God, not these people watching. Because even if...
definitely.
If I recorded it and posted it, he's just doing it for the camera. You can't win on the internet. You can't win.
Oh, never. Never. I mean, I'm glad that we don't have to be on camera. We don't have to be on social media.
Bro, I took that month off and I traveled like crazy the islands. I'm doing it every year forever. Every Christmas to January late, you won't be seeing me on social. I'll post once a week, but you're not going to see me. I'm taking off forever.
To be honest, when you were on little vacation, I mean, still trading, but when you are going from island to island, I mean, even from your voice, I could tell you were so relaxed and you were much happier,
bro.
when you were away from the social media,
bro. Salo, I've never hid this. I hate social media. I hate majority of the people watching because they're watchers. They're pathetic lowlives that don't do anything with their life. Like they watch me, they don't like, they don't comment, they don't do anything but watch. And they watch me and 30 other people. They're in 20 different Discords, paying everyone monthly, wasting money, but they will never invest in themselves. They wouldn't buy this book. Use the code vlog, get a discount. They would never do it. They would never do it.
That's the worst thing that they could do for themselves, actually. I mean, before I really take this trading seriously, I was going from YouTube channel to YouTube channel, and I was once in a Discord, which is I was completely lost. And since I started following you, and when I took an action after that, I see that you have to have a mentor that who matches with your mindset, your trading style.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. People, when they are sick and tired of everything, they eventually show up to my door, but they're not waking up. Like bro, I'm talking to the people that have been watching me for years. Bro, I had a guy who's been watching me for 6 years. He messages me once a year, twice a year. 2 days ago, he messaged me, oh, what brand of coconut water do you like? I'm like, I'm about to block this guy. He just DM me asking me my favorite brand of coconut. He's not a mentorship student. He's never bought a book. None of it. Doesn't comment, doesn't engage, none of it. But I can't block him because many, many years ago, when everyone was attacking me viciously, he never attacked me. So I can't block him. I feel sad for the guy. So I let it go.
Well, since you said the book, by the way, the gym that I go, I saw a guy who was trading on his phone. And I started talking to him what he's trading. He was...
Wait. Where did you find him? Where's his story? Where are you?
In my gym.
Oh, at the gym. Okay, go. Okay, go.
Yeah. He was trading on his phone, and I started talking to him, what are you doing? What kind of trading you do? He goes, I'm a Forex trader. And I was like, get off the Forex trade, jump on the futures. And I showed your Instagram page.
Thank you,
YouTube
bro.
page.
Thank you.
And actually, I made him bought your book.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it, Salo.
You're welcome. Hopefully, he'll be your student soon.
God willing. Listen, God willing. As many people as we can help. As many people as we can help.
Yeah. He's a nice guy.
I believe it.
Yeah.
You know, people, I did a good job with Salo because he went out of his way to tell someone about my book, my content at the gym. So that means maybe I did my job.
Always, I mean, like, I think I told so many people about you.
Thank you, bro.
So,
Thank you.
At least get the book first.
Yep.
So,
Yep. Anything else, Salo, before I let you go? Anything else?
That will be it. I just want to say thank you again, and thank you for your strategy, and thank you the way you teach us the mindset.
You're welcome, Salo. Of course, bro. Thank you for coming and always helping me with my assistant sometimes. You always help out in class as well, so I appreciate you, Salo.
Oh, no worries. It's nothing compared to what you taught us.
Thank you, bro. It means the world to me. God bless you. I'm going to pray Isha later. You'll be in my prayers per usual, Salo. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you.
I'll see you in the class.
I'll see you next class. Bye.
Bye.
All right, that was the last person. Outstanding. I'll answer some questions in the chat. In Islam doctrine, it says when it comes to giving charity, your left hand shouldn't see. Correct, Abdul Kafi. I'll see you at Wall Street. Abdul Kafi, don't be late. I know your flight's coming in late. Head straight to Wall Street. I'll meet you there, bro. Come early, as early as you can. All right. I appreciate everyone for joining me on the Friday. Listen, at the end of the day, do what you want. I didn't even put on music. I forgot. It was just a bum rush right now. But let me not forget to read the Quran. I'm not going to forget, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going to forget. I'll hold it. But I'm live every Tuesday, Friday, 8 p.m. Tuesday. I'll be going over what it's I know it's prop firm. I don't know the topic, but it's on the live. You can schedule it. You can schedule it, and you'll know what's on the live. Boom, live every Tuesday, Friday. You want to know more? Go to the videos. Before you comment or DM something out of line, how about you scan and look over a person's content before you say something ridiculous in the chat? You see what I'm saying? Before you say anything ridiculous. That's all I got to say. All right, random page out of the Quran per usual to get the Baal worshippers off the live. You know who you are. Okay, boom. Chapter 10, Jonah, or Yunus in Arabic. Ooh, that's a good one. All right, chapter 10, Jonah, verse 24. The life of this world is just like rain we send down from the sky, producing a mixture of plants, which humans and animals consume. Then just as the earth looks its best, perfectly beautified, and its people think they have full control over it, there comes to it our command by night or by day, so we mow it down as if it never flourished yesterday. This is how we make the signs clear for people who reflect. God blesses you with countless bounties. If you had a phenomenal week, give back, do good, do righteousness, you'll get more. But when you think that it's all because of you and not a higher power, this world is not built for you. By the way, if you don't like anything that I just said, you don't have to comment about it or message me. I don't care. Yesterday I blocked 8,000 people. You could be the next one. I'm not here to be your friend. I'm here to teach you how to make money. Differentiate between it. Your little comments, it doesn't really bother me because I enjoy the blocking part. Like, you know, if you watch me long enough. So remember, most of the internet is filled with nonsense. Your life is probably filled with nonsense. That's why you attract nonsense on the internet. But if you've been brought to this page, maybe there's a higher purpose. Watch it. Don't pay me a cent. Most of you are broke anyway. Just watch the free course. And again, you don't like the way I said talk? I need to talk more like this because trading is not for most of you watching anyway. Listen, the rest of you, I love you. Thank you for coming on the lives. I support you. And I will be live. Oh, forget Tuesday. I'll be live all next week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll be live on Wall Street. Tuesday morning, we'll be live a lot on the Instagram. Francis is making a friend the chat. Goran, just to specify, I'm not trying to hook up and score a free lunch. I know you can't spill the sauce before the I'm just looking for a trader buddy until the same method. Francis, when you sign up for the mentorship, you can meet up. You can meet up with him. What's your mentorship student? I got you. All right. May peace be upon you all. Have a good night, everyone.